I'm gonna show you how to change out the cabin air filter for 2004 through 2008 Acura TL. So the tools that you need is a 4-head screwdriver, and you need a pick. So the first step, we're gonna open up the glove box, and we're gonna make sure there's nothing in the glove box. So for this clip, you're gonna use a pick to take out the clip, and then the 4-head screwdriver is for the clip on the right side, right here. You're gonna take out the clip on the passenger side first, counterclockwise. And once that's loose, you want to loosen the rest out by hand because it's going to drop and you do not want to lose the screw. So I would recommend putting this by your armrest. Then we're going to grab the pick, and there you go. Pull this out and sit it on the armrest right there. And then we're gonna grab the pick and we're gonna pick it from the top. Oh, there you go. Just like that. Now we're gonna pull the rest out. And again, we're gonna put this on top of the dash so we know which is which. Now, the next step, what you want to do is these two clips right here. This is what's holding the glove box and what's making it function as far as open and close. So what you want to do, you want to push these clips inwards like that, and then this one the same thing like that. Now for the next step, you want to raise the glove box slightly up and then pull the rest out by hand like that. See it? It comes up, comes up. And then this side, the same thing. Slightly lift up the glove box. And then pull it out like that. Now this is the reason why you're taking everything out, because this glove box is gonna drop like this. And there was another step that I missed. This hinge right here, you're gonna push it down because it's attached to this piece right here. So the next step, we're gonna slightly pull this down like that. And we're gonna open the door. You're gonna grab this piece right here. Once you pull that out, then the rest of the glove box should come down. Like that. So once the glove box is down, now you have access to the cabin filter. You don't have to loosen this out, or you don't have to unplug this. So to take it out, these two clips, so you're gonna push that in, slide it forward, push this in, this tab, slide forward, and then voila, it comes out. So I have a aftermarket reusable, rewashable cabin filter. No, it's not K&N, but as you can see, I changed it like 3 months ago, and look, it collected all that leaves. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it out. Slam it on cement. See, this side is pretty solid and this side is pretty dirty. So because this side has more dirt, the air is being sucked and it's coming in from the top downwards. So we're gonna bang this out and we're gonna hose it down. Alright, I just got done cleaning and hosing down the reusable cabin air filter, and it's already dried up. So we put it back in the cabin filter housing, and then we're gonna slide it back in. Just like that. Now we're gonna do reverse step. So what I like to do, I want to make sure everything is in like this. I'm gonna slide it back up. Same way we took it out, it's the same way we put it back in. See how that goes in place? As long as this is in, now we're gonna open up the glove box. Now these two hinges that we took out is gonna go back in this slot right here, and then on the passenger side the same thing is going to go in that slot. So it's going to be like this, and on the right side the same thing. So I'm going to put this one in like that, and then put this one in just like that. And now we're gonna bring it up. Bring the glove box all the way up first. Right, so with the hinges as in place, you want to lift up the glove box, and then this piece should go in here. So I'm gonna push that in. So it snaps into place, and then this side the same thing, lift up the glove box and push it in until it snaps into place, and then there you go, the hinges is back in. Now we're gonna put this clip back on right here. Like that. And then we'll put this clip back in. Like that. And then we're gonna grab the screw it in by hand first. And then grab your screwdriver and tighten it and screw it back in clockwise. It's gonna keep on turning, but you know, as long as you know it's in place, it's good. Now we're gonna close the glove box and we're gonna check out the function. And don't forget this one step. So this hinges right here is gonna snap in to this slot right here. So you wanna pull this like this. Then you see the video and make sure it goes behind, and then push it forward. You're good to go. Now we're gonna bring it up. Yep, everything looks good. Yep. And just throw everything back in the glove box, your manual, whatever, wallet, I guess, I don't know. But yep, that's how you change out the cabin filter for a 2004 to a 2008 Acura TL. If you have any questions, leave me questions in the comment section. I'll be gladly to message back and to help you guys out. All right, that's the video, and thanks for watching.